What have we got here this morning? Precious, what is going on? You got puppies all there outside. They come to see us. They come to see all of us. Yeah, they're darling. Yes, they're just darlings. One little squeaker there. I don't know where you come from. I don't know where you come from, Squeaker. Squeaky toy. Squeaky toy. You guys. Oh my gosh. So y'all learning how to go through the dog-proof, goat-proof gate? Yeah? Jiminy crickets, puppies. Puppies, puppies. Everywhere there's puppies. Squeakers, squeakers. Well, Freckles, you did pretty good. So did you, Prash. Yes. I was going to get you guys some water this morning. I guess maybe you can come outside and get water, huh? Yeah. Were those all yours there, Prash? Or Freckles, I mean? You got puppies on you. And puppies out here. So those are yours? Or they just kind of nurse wherever they want to? That might be the deal. They might just nurse wherever they want to. Because they can. Alright guys, I'm opening the gate here. Puppies, puppies, puppies. Puppies. Natural grandma guardian dog puppies. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Aren't you? Brown boy, I kind of like you. You're kind of something. A mess. I guess they call them a litter. What do you call it, Freckles? You call it good? Oh, you're not sure at this moment, huh? They getting worrisome? All right, Freckles. Freckles and I wish you were having this great a day at Natural Grandma.